And this was all done using OlympusAI. Now, just to give you a reference, CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, The Block, all of these leading crypto news websites generate between 5 and 15 articles per day. We match or exceed that output, but unlike them that pay dozens of writers and editors and graphic designers, in our case, it's just OlympusAI doing the writing, the research, and publishing to the website on its own, with only one person overseeing the whole thing.
Okay, so welcome back, everybody. Today, now, I have more with me, and basically it's from OlympusAI. Now, nothing here is financial advice, do whatever you want, but I bring a great guy because I'm doing investments in pre-sale, in the private pre-sale from gems. And I did a full video for this one just a few days back. Go and check that video, or I'm going to leave a link down in the description. And the only way to get into some of these two pre-sales right now is by knowing somebody. And they're doing gems. It's a platform who do a lot of research before they list any of the product or of their projects. It's not their project, but they're doing a lot of deep analysis, like who they are before they have the pre-sales. So today, because I invest in Olympus, full disclosure, just a couple of days ago, and I say, okay, let me bring these guys, and probably I'll bring the second guy also, and I'll do full AMA, very short, straight to the point, like 5-10 minutes, and just to give you what they are and who they are, and then you can get full perspective if you like to join their pre-sale or not, because I don't care, it's up to you. All right, so now, can you tell me who you are? Welcome, again, more. Like how long you've been into crypto, what is OlympusAI, and how and why people to get into the pre-sale, like what's the difference? Go ahead.
Okay, hi everyone. Phil, thank you for having me. My name is Mor Hogeg. I'm the general manager of OlympusAI. My professional background is I'm an attorney. I've been a blockchain researcher since 2017 and have been heavily involved with AI for the past 3 years. Here at OlympusAI, we've recognized two major problems in the current AI landscape. The first problem being there is no real world execution. Current AI solutions, the most famous one is, of course, ChatGPT, act as advisors. You ask them a question and they give you an answer, but they do not have the ability to go out to the real world or the digital world and perform actions on your behalf, on the user's behalf. The second problem that we've recognized is a fragmented AI landscape. Basically, in order to complete simple tasks, like for example, writing an article, fact check it, and generate an image for that article, most users will use 3 or 4 different platforms at the same time. So ChatGPT for writing, maybe Perplexity for fact-checking, and Midjourney to generate a high-quality image. In order to solve these two problems, we did the following in OlympusAI. First of all, we are combining 7 or 8 of the best AI models into OlympusAI, basically giving an all-in-one solution. You will have, the users will have access to all of these AI models working together simultaneously to tackle various problems all in one place, basically a one-stop shop for AI solutions. And the second part, which is even more important, we are using, our developers are building the platform in a way that will allow the OlympusAI platform to perform real-world actions using blockchain technology. For example, we are going to give the OlympusAI users the option to instruct the platform to make payments on their behalf, to place orders, manage online services. Imagine, if you will, that you will go to OlympusAI and have them perform research on your behalf. And if the platform will find a high quality piece of research that costs, let's say, $12 a monthly payment, or whatever the case may be, the OlympusAI platform will be able to make that payment, get that piece of high quality research, and use it to generate a better output for the user. So this is truly a groundbreaking moment, the way we see it for AI, because we're going from an advisor to an actual doer, actually an entity that does things for you. In order to provide businesses with a full suite of basically a dream team of AI solutions, we are building 5 AI entities. We call them basically AI employees, each an expert in its field. For example, we have Google AI, a writing AI entity, Branson for customer support, Taylor for financial analysis, Steve for marketing, Edison for product management. Basically, each of these AI entities will be delivered to our users, pre-trained in a way that will allow them to perform very complicated tasks in a fraction of the cost and at a very high level. We are going to train each of these. For example, if we'll take Steve AI, the marketing manager, train it on the best and latest marketing techniques, go-to strategies, whatever it is, and basically deliver to the user an AI employee that's highly trained and very sophisticated. In order to show a proof of concept, basically show the platform in action, we built a website called TokenTimesAI, which I'm going to share with you guys right now. TokenTimesAI is, one second.
Go.
Okay, guys. So as I was saying, we built Token Times AI as a proof of concept for our platform. Basically, Token Times is a news website dedicated to the crypto and blockchain community. You can see here it's powered by OlympusAI. Basically, by using OlympusAI's capabilities, we built this website, and within less than 30 days, we generated over 600 high-quality articles that are well-written, fact-checked, and with the proper image generated for each article. And this was all done using OlympusAI. Now, just to give you a reference, CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, The Block, all of these leading crypto news websites generate between 5 and 15 articles per day. We match or exceed that output, but unlike them that pay dozens of writers and editors and graphic designers, in our case, it's just OlympusAI doing the writing, the research, and publishing to the website on its own, with only one person overseeing the whole thing. I'm overseeing the Token Times website. It's just me. And we are matching or exceeding the output and the quality of the best and the most prominent crypto news websites in the world, basically. So you can see here, for example, this is an article about a recent FBI crypto fraud bust. You have the image, key points, well-written paragraphs, and so on. We have a glossary in the website that highlights, important terms. And this is just an example of the power of OlympusAI. The platform researches the hottest topics, generates the articles, generates the image, and publishes to the website on its own, autonomously. We have, like I said, myself, I reviewed the articles and so on, but basically it does 99% of the work on its own, completely autonomously, which is truly groundbreaking. Again, unlike ChatGPT and other solutions that you ask them a question and get an answer, this actually does the work for you. That's the main difference from current solutions. I'm going to go back to the presentation now. Okay, so in terms of the business model, as I said, we are delivering AI employees for our users. Basically, these AI employees come in at a fraction of the cost of traditional human employees. We're talking about between $200 to $600 per month per AI employee, which will be highly trained in its respective field. Basically, overhead elimination, cutting costs in a tremendous way for our users. Just for a frame of reference, cost comparison. In California, the average salary for a marketing manager is $115,000. For a product manager, it's $200,000. Our cost will be between $2,400 to $7,000 per year for AI employee. We're talking about 95% savings for our users. Now, we are not saying these AI employees will replace the human employees, but they will be a huge tool, a very beneficial tool to cut costs for these AI employees, giving them time to focus on other things that may be more beneficial for the company, for the user. Now, regarding the OAI token, our native utility and payment token is the fuel that powers the platform. Basically, our AI employees, as I mentioned, will get between $200 to $600 a month. That's the cost for the user. Approximately 50% of that will go towards the AI employee salary. The way it's going to work, we are going to convert the dollar, the fiat money that we're getting from the users into OAI tokens and basically have a buyback and burn mechanism. So this creates two things. First of all, a self-sustaining economy for the platform. And second of all, the more users we'll have, the higher demand we'll have for the OAI token, because the tokens will be needed in order to pay these AI employees' salaries. Okay. So this is the ecosystem fuel reward mechanism that we'll have for staking and so on. And also, we're going to use a performance marketing plan that whoever brings measurable value to the platform will reward them with OAI tokens, which is another demand aspect for the token itself.
Okay, good. And how big is your team?
So the team currently, we have myself, I'm the general manager. We have a product manager. We have 3 developers, and we have a designer and a marketing manager. So 6 to 7 people right now, basically running the whole operation.
Okay, good. And do you already have maybe some businesses lined up to work with you?
Yes, absolutely. Actually, we have 2 major websites that they're going to start using our beta program for the writing manager. Basically, the writing AI employee, Google AI, is the one powering Token Times, the website that I just showed you. So we have 2 other crypto news websites that are very interested in OlympusAI. They are probably going to start a beta program with us, and they're going to use our platform to generate content for their website as well.
Okay, and now okay, do you have anything else want to add? What is very important before I tell everybody how they can get in?
Just to share quickly about the tokenomics, we are currently in the 4th round of the private sale, which started a few weeks ago. The price started at 10 cents. and it went up by 4%. It's going to go up by 4% per week. We're going to have 26 weeks or $25 million raise, whatever comes first.
Okay. And do
yes.
we have like the listing price? What will be the listing price? Do you know, and when and where?
Well, in terms of TGE, we expect that within a few short weeks after the private sale will end, we'll list the token. In terms of knowing the listing price, we don't know. It's not something that we determine, of course. It depends on the listing partner and so on. But the private sale, as I said, started at 10 cents. It goes up by 4% from there. Phil, you can share the GEMS website if you want in a minute.
So I'm sharing right now.
Right.
I'm sharing right now. Yeah, it's 11 cents only, 0.6. I got just yesterday, to be honest. It depends when anybody watched this video. I did yesterday. It was just a little bit less. So pretty much this is my enterprise. So it's not bad. It's only like 10% up than the normal listing price. And if anybody wants to get in again, or if you have any question, I will leave their website down in the description. Okay, so if you want to get in, use GEMS, the website down from GEMS, and use my code. That's the only way to get in. Of course, not financial advice. And then you go buy now, you connect your wallet, you put your email, and then you just send Ethereum there. And again, it's on Ethereum chain, but it's not expensive. Especially if you go early in the morning, because it's not like go now. It's you can do tomorrow, next day, over the weekend. There's the cheapest fees. It costs like $1 or $1.50, $2 just to send some money. So it's not expensive. Once the pre-sale is finished, you'll get your tokens to your wallet. You can claim, and then you can do whatever you want. And just to mention, in their pre-sale I got for GEMS token, I'm already up around 4x. Okay, just to mention that to everybody to know. All right, so anything else you want to add more before we wrap up, because I don't want to keep this video too long?
Yeah, no, just to sum up what sets us apart, we see ourselves as a layer 2 AI. Basically, we are building on top of the best AI models, harnessing the strengths of each one into OlympusAI. We have the real-world performance, real-world capabilities, which is truly groundbreaking for an AI solution. And we're very excited about the product. That's it.
To be honest, I like whatever you mentioned. That's why I did put some money, not a lot, but I'm thinking now to put a little bit more, because you already have two good project who they're going to work in your beta. And then the thing what you show me with your website, I'm going to show right now, and it's looking absolutely amazing about the stories, how you write down and how accurate they are and how many views you have. So that's great. I think whatever you're doing right now, if you achieve even half of that, I think will be a huge successful, because this is AI. It's coming to stay, like it or not. I'm against AI. I was, but now I start liking a little bit more. I'm against all these crazy robots, but AI can help a lot in like articles, like medical research, like in so many different like things in the world, All right, More, thank you so much, everybody, guys, girls, whoever is listening. The links will be down in the description. Follow them in their websites, in their social, and ask any question you have. I'm sure you're going to have probably more AMAs in the future. Maybe we can drop again in maybe a couple of months' time, just to see how the things are going. And again, thank you so much, everybody. I will see you in the next one. More, see you next time.
Thank you very much.